like to doing a little bit like a pink marble. You can't really see much, but it's really stunning because I am going to add my shiny sky. So I'm gonna pick the clear powders, and probably about 70-30, which is clear powder 70%, and then pink powder is about 30%. Yeah, I'm gonna. We're just gonna score that one, and then don't afraid of if you don't get it perfect, because when you're doing kind of a marble look on whatever, it doesn't give you exact 100% every single time. So don't afraid of to create all different looks for that. I'm gonna create the same what I did for the other hand for Ali. Okay, just a little bit. You can't really see it until you're really close to me. I'm gonna pick up. Stunning. Any question, feel free to ask. Ali, I'm so excited with your set. She's so thrilled. She said, my boyfriend's gonna love it. I'm picking a smaller. Actually, it's under her right here, if you're seeing it. Her nails. Just one more. And I'm gonna cap that with a clear. I do one and a cap right away, because then just in case you are tuning in, welcome in. Welcome in. Are you okay? This one being really a cool hands-on, and the class in March, which is, I mean, this month is March already. Time flies so fast. If you have any question regarding to the class in the end of this month, don't hesitate to ask any questions. It's good. Great. Move on to the next one. Let's get it set.